Sir, actually, I regularly I make my daily routine plan for meditation, and I used to wake up at 3:30 or 4 o'clock for meditation. But
Mhm.
sir, actually, I'm a working lady. Then it is very difficult to manage that. Monday,
Mhm.
Tuesday, Wednesday, I can do. Then Thursday, I feel so sleepy that I'm not able to do this. And this means I fail to follow this absolute my this schedule, and I
Mhm.
feel so sleepy, tired. Even at the evening when I drive from my office to home, then it is very difficult me to drive, and I feel.
See, you first of all how to have a better quality of sleep. I can give you some advice about that. So one thing is like um, if you can if you can do some exercise, some of the yoga, at least four yoga, only for 2 minutes daily, like four pranayama, bhastrika, anulom vilom, kapalbhati, and brahmari, only for 2 minutes daily. It will take total 8 minutes. So these four pranayama, if you do on daily basis with full sincerity, you will feel a lot of relaxation. Specifically, before going to bed at night, you must do these, if not bhastrika or kapalbhati at the bedtime, but the brahmari, you must do at the bedtime. You will feel a lot of relaxation, first of all, and you'll immediately fall asleep. Secondly, the quality of sleep will be better. One thing you can also do to make the sleep quality even better is put your attention on this point, which is like when you sleep, you just put your eyeballs a little bit upright like this, and you fall asleep. Do at least 10 minutes of this exercise before you go to sleep. What this exercise will do is it will open your crown chakra, and once the crown chakra is open, you receive lot of positive energy. So when you receive lot of positive energy, the 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 output of the quality of the sleep will definitely improve. So maybe a small helper video I'll show you. uh, it's in Hindi, but it will really help you out to understand the process of how it goes. uh, just a small thing. Okay, so here we go.
जब विश्व शक्ति का बहाव कम हो जाता है,
It's a small, very small clipping of the video, and it's very powerful. Here we go. The way it goes is,
तो शक्ति नलियों में ये कमी हम वे धीरे धीरे डाल देती है। ये धवरीर की शक्ति में रंग रहित सूक्ष्म धीरे धीरे प्राणमय शरीर में शक्ति की कमी सारी।
so basically what it says is, the essence of this video is that because you are not getting proper sleep, and because of that, lot of stress is there in the body, which needs a lot of sleep because of the crown chakra. Once you work on the crown chakra even a little bit, because the chanting of om will activate the crown chakra, and once you start it, so it will something like this will happen.
ध्यान से हमें बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में
Like this. So this is the main thing. When you do om chanting, and we do the four pranayama, as I told, the crown chakra will open up, and with this pranic energy in the body will increase, and because of that, your body will become de-stressed, and the quality of the sleep will definitely improve. So this is the
शक्ति मिलती है। ये हमारी शक्ति नलियों के जरिए सारे शरीर में पहुंचती है। जब विश्व शक्ति
so all the part of the brain and the other part of the body will get this pranic energy. Normally we get it in the sleeping time, when we are sleeping, the universe is giving this energy to us. But the problem is, we are so much thoughtful, because of the thoughts, uh, because of the dreams, the flow is not there. you know, and doing little bit of meditation in opens this channel. And once this channel is open, all
बहुत
this
बड़ी मात्रा में शक्ति नलियों में बहने लगती है तो रंग रहित सूक्ष्म धब्बे मिट
so
जाते हैं।
so this pain will go away in the body. A lot of pain and stress will go away, and you will not need as much sleep when you have done somewhat of this exercise. So this exercise, or the Brahmari Pranayam, as I told, is very, very powerful. So this is one of the, so you can do it 10 minutes daily. And when you have a lot of, I mean, some more time, maybe on Sundays or something, then you can spend a little bit more time, maybe half an hour. And on regular basis, if you want to do something, then you must do at least once 7 chakra meditation. It's given on our YouTube channel. Somebody can paste the link out here. You can simply search 7 chakra meditation Sanjeev Malik and you'll get it. So it's a 30 minutes meditation, and it'll make you de-stress totally, and you'll get a lot of relaxation. So over a period of time, let's say 3 to 4 weeks, entire blockages will go away. I hope you understand that. Just do it practically and make sure that you come out of all the blockages and things are really great about you.